Hi.
Alex, who's in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Is that the baby? Let's kiss the baby. Mwah! You kiss the baby. No, you kiss the baby. You did it before. There we go. Mwah! And then I kiss the baby. And then I kiss the baby. Mwah! And then you kiss the baby. Mwah! Good job. Kiss babies. Mwah! Right? Alex, kiss the baby. Kiss the baby.
Alex, can we play football?
No, enough is enough. When you're back home and you're messing around and you're goofing around, remember that you're having fun and you're enjoying it, but at the same time, no, it's not.
Who's in the mirror?
When enough is enough.
Who's in the mirror? Is that baby Alex?
Casey needs to realise.
Let's kiss the baby.
Even though he obeys the rules.
Get the baby. There we go. Good kisses.
He needs to apply the same.
Give baby
when
kiss.
he's at home.
Mwah.
Not too much with his brother.
Yeah. Kiss the baby. Right? Show me how you kiss the baby. How do we kiss babies? Like this? Mwah! Can you kiss the baby? Good boy. Good boy.
I stepped in and I took Casey. I said to him,
Yeah.
instead of being his bully, he is mental. Show him how he uses his grip properly so that it benefits him. Good teaching, Casey. Well done, Corey. Once Corey could trust his brother again, I need you to work on Casey respecting the word stop or no.